charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we've arrived at our gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. If Denver is your final destination and you have any checked luggage that may be retrieved at baggage carousel 15, again that's baggage carousel 15. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of our entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you've enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stay clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.